Yeah. Okay. So first, let's now just everyone be serious now. Okay. Yeah. So now tell me, do you think that the society we live in is proper and there is no flaw in this society? Just message me or just unmute yourself and speak. Okay. Snigdha says no. No. Sukrita Mandi, no.
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 बिल्कुल नहीं.
No. No. Okay. Right. So we always say ki no, we don't live in we don't live in a proper society. We don't have a flawless society. We never say like that, right? So we always say ki we don't have a good society. We never live in a good society. But everyone has ever thought ki what can be done? What are the actually what are the challenges we have in our society? Okay, just tell me the everyone who said no, just tell me what kind of challenges you find.
People judge too much.
If
People
first of all,
judge.
अगर हम लोग चेंज या फिर कुछ करने जाए तो पहले रोक आती है. बोलते हैं कि ये रीति रिवाज में नहीं है, ये इसमें नहीं है. ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स हमको फेस करना होता है.
Okay.
और कोई?
We can't take any other jobs than engineers and doctors.
Why? ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं होता है.
If you take नहीं भैया, तो अभी सोसाइटी में मतलब एक हो जाता ना कि अगर इंजीनियर
हाँ
डॉक्टर
यार,
बनेंगे तो एक
या
ही
वो
रेस्पेक्ट मिलता
स्टीरियोटाइप
है.
होता है. हाँ, वो स्टीरियोटाइप
हाँ,
होता है कि
वो
साइंस
मतलब बहुत है.
हाँ
अगर हमको दूसरा जॉब्स या मतलब ये यूट्यूबर चैनल बन के हमको ये करना है, मतलब ये यूट्यूब में फेम कमाना है, मतलब वो नहीं हो सकता है ना. ये सोसाइटी उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे ना.
या एनीवन एल्स?
Discrimination of caste to improve the judgment of people. They have a really bad mindset. They think if they can't do a thing, no one can. Comparison of rich and poor. So yeah, okay. Big problems, huh? Right. Okay, so you listed out these problems, right? Anything else? अगर हम लोग सोसाइटी से अलग जाए तो हमको रोक दिया जाता है. Poverty line. Okay, Sophia, you're reading social too much, huh? Poverty line. Okay. So Snigdha is saying कि अगर हम अलग कुछ करते हैं, we do something new, we get a stop from the people. Okay, let's not talk about the people. Let's talk about our family. Okay, not of our family, but maybe somebody else. It's not that our family is the only family which stops us or the only family which gives us all the permission, all the rights to do whatever you want. Obviously, no family doesn't, any family doesn't do like that. I mean, no family does like that, right? मतलब कोई ना कोई तो बोलता है कि यार ऐसे मत करो, वैसे मत करो, है ना? बोलते हैं ना, right? कोई response दो यार. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. So this is something. It's society, right? So the mindset, because okay, let me give you my real life example. Okay, my real life example I'm giving you. What happened from, okay, I'm in 10th now. So I'm a 15-year-old girl, and in 9th standard only, and in 8th standard, 8th, 9th, I decided to be an IAS officer. Okay, so for this I thought ki chalo, because nowadays nobody takes humanities as a course in 11th standard. There is a course called humanities which is only about psychology, history, everything which is not related to physics, chemistry and maths, which is not related to that, the humanities. I thought कि चलो मेरे को IAS बनना है, तो let me take this course, because very few people take something which is out of MPC or BPC or PCMB. They don't really take. Yeah. So I thought, okay, let me take humanities and then prepare for my civil examinations. And I'm still 13-year-old, and I'm thinking about something which is gonna come on 20 when I'm 21 years. I'm going to write my UPSC exam when I'm 21 years, minimum 21 years. And I thought from when I was 13 only, I thought from then, yes, I will take this, this, and next this, next this, next this. I thought myself. Okay, I didn't talk to my mother or father about it. I decided myself, okay, I'll do this, and I'll do this. Then when I came to 10th standard, I told them कि पापा मम्मी मेरे को ऐसे ऐसे करना है. I will choose humanities. I don't understand maths, I don't understand physics, I don't understand chemistry, and I don't want to do that because it will be a lot of pressure on my head, and I can't take this, and I may do suicide or something else, or may go into depression. So that was the real me in my home for past 3 years, right? So okay, today I'm talking about 1 month before. Still I didn't get a clear image of why should I take MPC, why don't I take arts or maybe humanities, why don't I take something like that, commerce, economics. You have so many streams other than MPC, right? So I was trying to do something new degree. I want to do mass communications also. So that is something new which is apart from engineering and doctorate, right? Now I thought like this, and then one Didi, she's a very good friend of mine. She's a family friend of ours. So she said ki IAS is not easy at all, right? It is not easy. It is one of the toughest exam in the world, or maybe our India. Yeah. So they thought, hey, what if you don't get a seat in UPSC examination? What if you don't pass? Or for example, you pass in prelims and mains, and then finally when you go into the interview, you will fail there. So because it isn't easy, first of all, right? What will you do by getting a degree of arts or humanities? What will you do? Okay, that was the question she asked. I was very clear. Okay, if I do mass communication, I will become an anchor in a news channel. I'll be a journalist in a news channel. Something like that I told her, because I'm also interested to be a journalist. I was interested, to be honest. I said her like this. I told her like what I said now. So Didi said, first problem, that news channels are totally influenced. 100% or maybe 98% gets influenced by the politicians, by the actors. So a thing of nepotism kind of. The most, if you are in touch with a politician, you will get easily, right? You will get easily a job, or I'll get a post of journalist, or get a post of senior journalist in any field, or maybe a senior post in any field, which if we have a touch with some big people, VIPs. But we are not that big, we are not that rich, we are not that influential people. We are in touch with those people. So what next? That was the question. Now here, when I wanted to do something which is, because in India, engineering degree, doctor's degree, and chartered accountant's degree is the most reliable one. Anywhere you go, you will get a job if you have an engineering degree, right? I hope everyone agrees with me, right?
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay. Now, okay. Then she asked me, now what? Now what? Okay. I was thinking about humanities. I was thinking about journalism. This big dreams I had, but all went into Ganga pani mein beh gaya. You can say like that. All my dreams, So what is the lesson you get from here? First, you get an obstacle that you are not in touch with influential people, or because it is very rare that you get a very good position in something which is not related to this engineering degree or maybe chartered accountancy or maybe doctor, or maybe you start a business. That's a different kind of thing, and I'm not into business at all. So now what was the problem is, just tell me, just uh, tell me what was the problem here. Just give me 1 second. So where was I? कहाँ थी मैं? Okay, yeah. I was talking about the, yeah, I was talking about myself. Okay. Yeah. So what was the problem? Society का रोक टोक.
You were confused.
Here I wasn't confused in the start. See, now if I, okay, if suppose still I don't think about anything, I still go into humanities because my family will not stop me in doing any kind of degree. Obviously, they will not force me.
यहाँ
Yeah.
पे
So
प्रॉब्लम ये
people,
था कि डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है। अगर आप साइंस लिए तो कहा जाता है हाँ भाई बच्चा पढ़ने लिखने वाला है, अगर दूसरा सब्जेक्ट लिए तो कहते हैं नहीं पढ़ा लिखा है, पढ़ना नहीं चाहता।
exactly, and it is something true also, right? It is a true thing. To be honest, it is a true thing, because if you take science and maths, it is something. It is something. It is a subject in which you have to study 24/7. Uh, I heard from my very close relative that she said if you don't want to take MPC, I'm not talking about myself. She said ki if anybody doesn't want to take MPC or science, obviously they are not interested to study, or maybe they are not capable to study. And now they're deciding their capability also. The society is deciding their capability also, right? Now, who are they to decide our capability? I mean, I don't understand. Who are they to decide our ability level, right? And also, if I take this humanities or arts degree, I'll get a small job in somewhere in the, okay, somewhere very small company, and I'll get something the least position job, and then my family will be like, क्या कहाँ घूमना, तुम मॉलडीव्स नहीं गए, यहाँ नहीं गए, वहाँ नहीं गए, you are not happy, you don't have money, this, you can't buy a flat, you can't stay on your own house. These very list of problems our seniors will give, our elders will give, right? Obviously they will give, because they think of us, they want us to live happily, right? So it is something, this change ki nahi, it isn't about nepotism. It shouldn't be of nepotism, it should be of talent, right? It should be of something. Okay, let me give you an example now. If you think you want a seat in a concert, and you're going in a concert and you want a seat there. Now if you are in touch with the concert people, like the organizers, if you're in touch with them, you will obviously get a seat in 2 seconds, or in a very quickly you'll get a seat. But the people who are standing in lines for hours and hours, they will not get. For us it will be happy, हाँ हम मजे में जा रहे हैं, 1 second में मिल गया, that's we are in touch with the influential people. But what about them who are standing in lines, who are working more than you, who have spent more energy than you? What about them? That's something called influence. Can we change this? Yes, we can change, but it will take a lot of time, very much time, too much of time, right? To change the mindset of the people is the most difficult task. Right? Everything can't be fair. I mean, even if you try so much, everything can't be. Everything has its own pros and cons, right? Okay. If we talk about the mindset, okay, Snigdha is telling the next generation can change it. What guarantee do you give, Snigdha?
अगर
I mean,
क्योंकि ये नेक्स्ट जनरेशन काफी एजुकेटेड होने वाला है, मतलब उनके पास मतलब ये मॉरल एजुकेशन होगा, जिससे कि वो लोग सोसाइटी, जैसे हम लोग एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, तो हमारे मन में ये भरा है कि हम लोग इसको हटा सकते हैं, तो वैसे ही हर एक बच्चे में ये भर गया है कि वो फ्यूचर में जाके इसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो उसके बेसिस पे मैं बोला।
yeah, that's a very good point. If every citizen, if every people, if every person gets that ideology, yes, we have to bring the change, but it isn't possible. I mean, it is, for now I'm talking about, if we take, like, I am into too much of society. I want something which is not related to money or not related to studies. Right? I want something. I am a person who who wants to bring some change. But everybody, to be honest, to everybody won't have this kind of ideology, right? Somebody will be having कि नहीं मेरे को पढ़ाई करना है and I want to earn a lot of money. किन लोगों का mindset ऐसा होता है, थोड़े लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि no, I want to run, I want to be a sports person. Everybody's ideology is totally different, right? Even even if you take about how many, okay, we have now, if we talk about we, obviously all of us won't have this kind of mindset ki, yes, we have to bring a change. Nobody, I mean, not all of us, I can give a guarantee. So yeah, uh yes, so it is about you now. You have to do it. If you get this concept called changing the mindset, like we take an example of Sonu Sood, I mean, a salute to him. He got a thing. I mean, did you know what is the story behind him? Do you know about him?
No, can you tell us?
Okay, you don't know. Okay, anybody knows? I mean, is
No.
there anybody who knows it? Okay. Sonu Sood. Talk about Sonu Sood. Now, during this lockdown, what happened? Many of the immigrants or many people got stuck somewhere out of their own place. Like I am from Andhra Pradesh and I am stuck somewhere in UP, Bihar. I am stuck somewhere. What about them? They don't have money. They don't have place to stay. What they will do? There are so many people like that. So what did he do? He helped them. He made them reach to their own place. And that's a very difficult task. To be very honest, a very, very difficult task. I mean, each and every person who messaged him कि भाई मेरे को घर जाना है, he helped each and every person. So he's an actor and he gets so many messages, so many tweets, so many DMs because his mindset. He thought, I will do means I will do. If
ग्राउंड लेवल पे जाके वो भी
why he personally went to each and every person. He personally checked every transport, whether it has reached, whether everybody is safe, everybody are getting food on time. So yeah, it was a very difficult time. It is a very difficult task. That mindset, that thought, how did he get that? I mean, if I think कि यार मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी इतने सारे लोगों को help कैसे कर पाऊंगी मैं? I'm a single person. I'm a small part of this huge world. I'm literally 0.001% of this huge world, right? If he thinks like, if he could think like that, would he help? I mean, he is getting so many blessings from so many people. Yes,
त्रिशाला, जब करने की इच्छा हो, automatically it comes.
That's what, ma'am. If we think कि नहीं मैं अकेले सोचूंगी तो लोग क्या करेंगे, क्या कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए. Because it is you who will make the change, right? If what was the quote said by Gandhi ji? What was that about something change? I forgot. Okay. Anyways, no problem. Leave. Okay. So yeah, that is the mindset. Okay. If we last year we took a thing called menstrual hygiene. That's a very big topic in India, especially in India. It is a very big topic. It is a very sensitive topic. Nobody talks about it. Even we don't talk about it. Even we girls don't talk about it with boys, and boys don't talk about it with girls. Right? Does anybody supremely open about this topic? Nobody. Why? I mean, it's the thing which gives us birth, and we don't respect it. We think it is dirty. So that thought process, we tried a little bit. We tried it, and we went to those labor colony and the Tornagallu. We went so many places and started this campaign. And we don't know how many people understood it, because to be honest, we can't change the mindset of people who are already mature, who have already who have already experienced everything. We can't change their mindset at all. So we can always try to change the mindset of children. बच्चों का mindset change कर सकते हैं हम, right? अभी आप लोग मम्मी पापा को बोलोगे कि मम्मी मेरे को ह्यूमैनिटीज करना है, नहीं मेरे को ये नहीं करना, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग which is out of this is out of MPC, or is out of science and maths. I want to do something. They will not listen. Obviously they will not listen. Maybe some parents would listen if they are very chill and open minded, but everybody won't, right? Everybody won't. So it is something which you have to start implementing from the kindergarten. Now I'm saying this bhashan I'm giving you, it is something you will have to teach to your juniors. Okay, now I'm telling to 8, you have to teach it to the 7th. Now 10th के बाद तो मैं जाने वाली हूँ, है ना? अब तो मैं जाने वाली हूँ, अब इतना टाइम वेस्ट कौन करेगा? इतना टाइम कौन बोलेगा आप लोगों को कि नहीं, तो you have to bring a change? Nobody will do. Everybody are busy in studying, everybody are busy in their own work, but nobody thinks about it कि no, we have to teach the children how to. It's you students who will do it, because obviously now 8th is into the team, and it is 8th is the next the future of our JVM school, right? 8th standard. Now you are going to teach, when you come to 10th, you will be teaching you will be teaching to 9th standard, you will be teaching to 7th standard. You are the ones who will tell them. Now this process goes on. Now I'm starting. I told you about this. You will tell, if you get something from this, something 0.001%, you tell to others, juniors. Okay, and then when they will reach your age, they will tell to their juniors. So this process like this continues, and if it will continue like this without stopping, without getting a break, then obviously the world will change, right? Not telling कि नहीं यार हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, ऐसा कैसे वर्ल्ड चेंज हो जाएगा हमारे वजह से? No, it takes time. Obviously it takes time. It takes a lot of time, to be honest. It takes a lot of time, but you should at least start, right? You should start it. Now you have listed so many problems. About, we have discrimination, we have difference between rich and poor. So many problems we have listed. But if you start it, if you start implementing, and if you make your mindset from today, and you start telling to your juniors from today, obviously there will be a change, right? Everybody agrees?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. बहुत ज़्यादा भाषण हो गया, हाँ? Okay. 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 Nandini, are you there? Nandini, Aditya, Gagana, sorry, Pratika. Okay, we have so many people who are not interactive, yeah? Okay. So, tell me, okay, let's do some energizer now. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. You tell me if you think you have a best friend beside you. Think yourself, you just imagine you have a best friend beside you. Now tell me, what will be your signature move? Okay, this like this, we do like this, and any signature
Dab.
move. Just think, dab. Okay, now you show me. I don't know what is dab. Dikhao. I mean, all of you just think for a few minutes and then tell me what will be your signature move with your best friend, or a dance move like a thumka or a kala chashma, jajta hai, like this step. Anybody? Just think. मेरा पोपट मत करो यार. Okay, Prarthana doesn't have anything special, huh? Why you are such a boring person, Prarthana? Prarthana, बाहर तो इतना बोलती रहती है. क्या हो गया तेरे को इधर? I mean, everybody. Signature move का मतलब. Okay, Snigdho. Signature move मतलब. I mean, tell me what is the
Ask
meaning of
it,
signature.
no?
If you, yeah, ma'am. 8th. Yes, ma'am. Sophia told ma'am the dab thing. Vaibhavi. I'm actually, I don't know if you, yeah, Vaibhavi, tell me what is your
See,
signature
only
move?
40 participants are there, Trishala.
Ma'am, 8 people are very less, I guess.
They are having, they want somewhat enjoyment. That is
Swati.
why I told you.
Swati. Ma'am, that is why I told he will keep 9th and 10th ones and 8th ones, because separate, if we combine all of them, the same pressure will be there. Okay, Jaiti,
No.
Jaiti. Okay, and dance with bestie. Okay, Chandan wants to dance. Bhai long classes. Bhai long. Anybody else? Signature move? Bolo yaar. Jaiti, where are you, Jaiti? Sukruta. Jahnavi is also there. She isn't speaking anything. Sukruta, yes, tell me. Okay. So, uska matlab, sorry, I thought, okay. Dab is something which is only to your, I mean, with you and your friend. You should create it once. You should create it now. It is not that कि तुम लोग क्या करते हो. It is like क्या कर सकते हो. What can you do with your best friend which only shows your friendship. Maybe like giving like this, like just dab it. Okay. Jahnavi, what will be your signature move? Yes, I am there. Okay, I know that you are there, but tell me, speak up. Okay, everybody is almost like dab. Jahnavi, you don't have a signature step. You go to dance classes, you go to training with Ganesh sir, and you don't have any signature step. Huh? I mean, we would talk or do something else. Okay. Okay, so tell me, what did you learn from today? कोई बता दो. बहुत भाषण दे दिया मैंने. Anybody?
We felt so
Review.
motivated.
We felt so motivated. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, Prarthana is typing. Yeah, tell me.
If we have a strong mindset, we can do anything what we want.
Yeah, exactly. And you have to start it today, now. You have to think from now, today. Maybe just sprinkle your
We have to
knowledge.
change
all
the
of it.
mind.
We must
We
share
have
our
to,
Yeah, tell me. Nandini, you were telling something?
we have to change the mindset of children.
Yeah, first you have to change the mindset of the children. It starts from you. If you think, if you have a clear image of what to do, you'll obviously tell clearly to your juniors, right? Okay, Sophia, you are telling something?
that only we must share our knowledge to our juniors and everyone.
Yes, true. If we have will, we can do anything. First, we have to change our mindset. Okay, Snigdha. Okay. और कोई? Anybody else? Pratika. Am I spelling it correct?
Pratik.
No, Miss she's Pratika. She's a girl, no?
She.
Oh, yes, Didi. Okay, tell me, what did you learn? Okay.
Actually,
Yakesh is saying
Trishala,
life is hard. Yes, ma'am.
Trishala, I was expecting you that you will show video on that video so the children will speak. I was expected like that way.
Ma'am, basically when I conduct a session, I don't usually show them videos. I mean, because last time also we didn't show them any kind of videos. It's about only we speaking. About just we.
No, what
because
happens? No, these are small children. They'll get bored. You 9th, 10th. Okay, you have seen that number of participants are very less. Like last time, what Pratana has conducted. No, you were there? I think no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually now we have a class. That's why they are leaving. We have a class now.
Okay. Fine. Okay, fine. What time?
Ma'am, now at 10:30.
Okay, you can also. I requested Peer Mohammed sir to conduct 11 o'clock.
Ma'am, but he conducted at 10:30. Okay. When I would be on 10th, I would keep a conglom like you, as even I want to become a social reformer from my childhood, as I am inspired by you. Oh my God. Yeah, you got inspired by me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. It's good. You keep on inspiring others also. Yeah. Okay, so many messages. Speak, no, I can't see so many messages. We learned that changing should start with us and then broaden people's mindsets. Sure, we will be confused with ourselves for a while, but when we get clear with us, we can do everything in our power to keep other people and also life can be hard sometimes, but we have to keep going. Yes, very well said. Okay, good session, Didi. Wow, she or he is speaking white lies. Okay, thank you, Didi, for encouraging. Okay, it's not about when I took already a session for 9th standard last time, and when I asked them what did you learn last time, and they were blank today. It's not about एक दिन पढ़ा, एक दिन सुना, एक दिन इंस्पायर हुए, and then next day you'll be like, हाँ यार हम मजे में हैं, क्या हमारे पास पैसे हैं, मस्त फेंकेंगे, मस्त spend करेंगे. It shouldn't be like that. It should be something which is consistent. Consistency is very important in everything, not only about this change. It's about everything. This consistency will help you in each and every field. Maybe it's about studies or sports or anything. Thank you for keeping all this and thanks a lot. Okay. Sophia बहुत मस्का लगा रही है तो क्या बात है? हाँ? Okay. That's it. Okay. Again, if I get a chance, if I again conduct a session, I will surely ask you people to review it. So don't forget. Okay? Right? Bye to bol do at least unmute karke.
Bye, Didi.
Thank you for conducting a class.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Trishala.
Yes, thank you.
On behalf of all the children, I thank Satyam and you. Thank